Hi guys, this is Attack Styles dry carbon wings. We got it in stock finally. We done it. Dry carbon made. Attack style. You do not need to trim or anything. It just directly bolt on your GTR35 from 2007 JDM models up to 2018. They all fit. And each wing, the weight less than a kilo. As you can see, it's all pre-drilled. With the full carbon product, you're not supposed to modify it at all. It should be just directly bolt on, because if they don't fit, which means you have to modify on the edge or anything where else, it could be damage to the weaves. So you can't paint them unless, let's say, you're going to paint the whole wing or the whole carbon parts which you're going to modify to make it fit. This one you do not request any modify, directly bolt on. As you can see, that's all carbon made. Let's grab one up to see. Okay, it's really light. Just one finger, as you can see, that's how light they are. From the inside, it's a dry carbon. Let me turn both wings over. We only have the gloss finish in stock. The matte finish is going to be special order made. Excuse me. It's all well built. We just had one set to fit on our demo car battle sprint. It's perfect, bang on. As you can see, it's a full carbon. Grab one up. That's how light they are. That's the wing. It's got the aerial bits on it, so it gives it more aerodynamics. Apparently it's following the wing mirror. The wing mirror is following all the way down to the car. There's a lot on the market, but they fit. Our ones do fit. As you can see on our demo car, we're going to make another videos of the demo car as well. So there you go. It's all being made for ready to ship in, dry carbon. Thank you very much for watching.